Have you ever had to draw a tree and it turned out to be something like this? I would give that a 1 out of 100. But don't worry, today I will be removing the fear of drawing trees from you by teaching you how to draw it. Let's get into the video right away. Oh, and before continuing, make sure to subscribe and like the video. First, you gotta draw a curved line like this, which is the bottom of the tree. Same with the other side. Then draw like this at the bottom for the roots. You have to make sure you shiver your hands like a grandpa when drawing to make the tree look more realistic. After you drew the tree trunk, draw the branches like this, pointing down at the end. Draw the same with the other side. Remember to decrease the thickness of the trunk the more up you go. After you've drawn this, draw some hanging leaves under the branches, which can be drawn by just drawing some freely hanging lines like this. Apply it to all the branches. If you made it this far, good job. Because now we are going to add a tiny bit of detail, become like a grandpa again, and draw some short line inside the tree trunk while shivering you hands, and add this oval for an extra detail. Draw some hanging leaves near the tree trunk too. And there you have it. A magnificent looking tree which you won't get a 1 out of 100 again. If your drawing turned out well, congratulations. Should I draw other types of trees too? Let me know in the comments. Also, keep watching more videos on my channel to improve your drawing skills. It's me, signing off. Have a great day.